It's only 2:10? That lunch was not satisfying. I'm famished right now. I want to make something good, but it's so hot, even my AC can't keep up. Look at this 85 degree in the house. What tasty thing can I make without heating up the house? That's the life of Pang. Today I will be making spicy Cajun beef. If you don't have any Cajun seasoning, watch this video to the end. I'll put up a homemade recipe that you can put together yourself. This is an easy one-pot recipe. Roughly cut the onions because it will cook away in the pot. I'm using 2 red onions and 2 white onions. If you have large onions, you can just use 1. I'm using 2 brands of Cajun seasoning just because I have them on hand. The spices I'm using here I brought from America. You can use whatever spice you have on hand. The amounts are per my taste. If you don't like it too spicy, just cut back on the ingredients. Add the spices to the beef and stir it around to make sure it's all well coated. Look at how beautiful the color is on this beef. Whoa! I guess my camera's too close. It smells so good. My stomach is growling right now. The second cooking is to reduce the liquid. Can you smell that? Are you drooling? I am, and I can't wait to eat it. I like to serve mine with a little bit of rice and some green collards, whatever green vegetable you may have around. Beef is soft and tender. So delicious. This is so simple. You'll have to make it if you like spicy, flavorful food. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. Also, I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and channel with your friends and families and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, have a wonderful day.